In this video, I will show you how to weigh a chemical using an analytical balance. The analytical balance is one of the most expensive pieces of equipment we have in the general chemistry lab. We use it to weigh small samples. It is a highly sensitive lab instrument. It has 3 draft shields, so air currents don't affect the weighing. Balances are characterized by capacity and readability. Capacity is the upper limit of the weighing range, while readability is the smallest unit displayed after the decimal point. This balance has a capacity of 120 grams and a readability of 0.1 milligram. You should use the analytical balance to weigh chemicals with a mass of less than 10 grams. I want to measure 2 grams of potassium sulfate. First, I need to check whether the balance is leveled. If the air bubble is in the center of the level indicator, as shown here, the balance is leveled. If the balance is not leveled, please notify an instructor. Now I open one of the draft shields and place a weighing boat into the center of the weighing pan. I close the draft shield and press tare to zero out the weighing boat. The display reads 0.0000 grams. Next, I add the chemical using a spatula. I do this carefully. I tap carefully on the spatula. I am aiming at 2 grams. The actual measurement should be within plus or minus 5%. That means plus or minus 0.1 grams in this case is acceptable. I obtained a little bit too much. So I will put a little bit into the waste container. Never return chemicals to the reagent bottle. Now I close the draft shield and wait for the reading to stabilize. I record the mass in the lab notebook right away. After weighing, I remove my sample from the balance and clean up the balance. Use one of these soft paintbrushes that we have to clean up the balance, and if there are any spills on the balance table, use a paper towel to clean up. You should weigh samples at ambient temperature to achieve a stable reading. If you transfer body heat to the container that you're about to weigh, or you place a warm sample on the balance pan, you won't get a stable reading. Some substances are hygroscopic, which means that they absorb moisture from the surrounding atmosphere. This causes a constant increasing drift of the measured weight. On the other hand, if you place water or other solvents in a container on the weighing pan, they evaporate slowly, causing a decreasing drift of the measured weight. Dispose of used weighing boats in the broken glass waste box, which is also called the hazardous waste box. Now you are ready to practice using the analytical balance hands-on.